Hello everybody. In the last video that I did, I talked about how uh, you can optimize the storage cost uh, in your for your Azure storages by creating policies where you can create a policy and the policy will move your storage tiers from say from hot to cool and then to archive, and you can even delete uh, those files if it reaches a certain time. Say if you want to delete all the data that is more than 180 days old, you can do that. There's something else that Azure is now offering for your storage account. They're called tasks, and it will show up under as a preview feature right now. And you will find it under any of the storage account. If you go, you come down to the automation section and you will see the task there in the preview mode. So let's just show you how do I go there. So go to log into your storage, your Azure portal, look for storage accounts, and you will see this and click on it. So these are all the storage accounts that I have in my environment right now. So I can select any of them, and with that, uh, blob service lifecycle management is what we looked at. Here you can create a rule and you can tell say delete, okay, and over here more than say 180 days old, delete the blob. You can do the automation this way as well, okay. The other way that they're saying is under the automation and task preview. So if you go over there, what it is right now, you see there is no rules now available for any storage account task. So what you can do is add a task, and you see there are two different tasks that are available for you right now. So you can configure a task, a automation task, to send monthly cost for resources, and it sends the cost of the resources every month. You can select that one, and if you select that one, you'll see that you need some connection. Okay, send monthly cost, that's what you selected. This task will connect the following services. So you gotta connect these services to be able to configure this task. So now resource manager, it should be easy one to connect, and I'll show you how to connect this one. So you will just click on create. It will just ask you to create connection, just sign in and select the account that you want to connect to, and there we go, it's connected. Office 365, I just don't have anything for Office 365, so I don't think I'll be able to connect this one. But if you have, oh, it looks like Office 365 is also available to me because the account that I created is through Outlook. So that's great. So if you have both of them connected, let's go to the configuration, and then looks like you can define this task name cannot be changed after the task has been created. So yeah, so change the name to something that makes more sense, like monthly cost for storage account, and just be specific, add the right account name and stuff like that, and give the email that where you want to send this cost automated emails. Okay, so and here I have tick marks, so that means everything is looking good. I just hit create. So that should create one task. It's a scheduled task. You can click on it and you can see how many times it has been run, and you can also open it, looks like in the logic app. So let's just do another task for deleting old blobs that we don't use, or we know, say for audit logs, if it's really old, maybe you have a regulatory requirement to keep it for 6 months, okay, then you can delete it, so 180 days. So I can again create a task. Now this blob service is already connected, so I can go to configuration. So here you have to provide the container name. So here let's see what is the container name that we want to use for this one. So here let's go under the container. So maybe the Azure email is what we want to use. Okay, so that's the container name. Okay, let's just copy this one, come back over here in that container. Okay, expiration age, and here if you go to the information bar, older than this age will be deleted. So we said 6 months. So time unit, now you can just use 6 months. Okay, that's pretty easy. So you don't even have to convert and to 180 days. So and then you just say great. Okay, one thing that I noticed, just make sure that you pay attention to that one. Let's see, say go to configuration. Okay, this task is billable. For more information, pricing could be found here. But anything in Azure, when you're doing, you are associating some cost, so some way or the other. So it's, but just be just note, although this is still a preview feature, but when the task is run, you're probably gonna use some kind of a computer, something within Azure, and this task is billable. But it's a nice feature that's coming by default to you. It's still in preview mode, but it should be working just fine. I didn't see any problem. I had no issues configuring this. And again, it's go to any of the storage account, go under automation, and then tasks preview, and that's where you want to add the rules. I did it for one, so now you can add similar rules for the other accounts as well. Have fun playing out with this particular service here where we have configured to schedule task, and enjoy more automation of your storage accounts. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.